sky is laced with silver threads, the morning drips in gray, and every drop upon the glass reminds me you're away. I sit beside the window ledge and write your name again, like I've been sending letters in the rain. The streets below move soft and slow, umbrellas bloom and fade, but I just watch the world go by, still tethered where I stayed. I try to find the words to hold what distance can't explain, this quiet ache, these letters in the rain. And though the world may pull me toward noise I don't believe, it's you I find in silence, it's you who doesn't leave. So when the sky begins to clear and morning finds you too, know every line that I have penned was reaching out to you. And I'll be here just soft and true, with no need to explain, just turning pages, letters in the rain.